Alright guys, so today's vlog is just gonna be real simple. I just bought some lights on Amazon and I really want to try them out. I want to see how much brightness it really brings to the image. And then I also don't know what we're gonna get into. Could probably be either the Dodger game or I don't know, maybe go to the beach, just cruise around, trying to find some good, scenery, some good lighting. But yeah, I mean, I'm not sure exactly what the day is going to consist of, but I know for sure one thing I do want to test out is that light I just bought. So I'll let you guys know how I like it, the functionality of it, and how long it lasts, and if it's worth the purchase. I'm still a little bit under the weather, so you guys could hear on my voice, but yeah, let's get it. It should be a fun day, and yeah, it should be exciting. All right, so at first we had no idea what we were going to do. But super last minute, we decided we're going to end up hitting this Dodger game. It's an exhibition game. Dodgers against the Angels at the Dodger Stadium. Tomorrow, I will be taking my nieces to another exhibition game. It's also the Los Angeles Dodgers and Anaheim Angels. But tomorrow it's going to be at Anaheim. So maybe we could do a comparison on Dodger Stadium versus Anaheim Stadium. But yeah, we're headed to the game right now. It starts in about 2 hours. You guys know LA traffic is terrible, so hopefully we get there in time. Alright guys, so we're at the Dodger Stadium. We're about to go grab some food right now. Probably gonna grab something to drink and get situated, so once this game gets started and we're able to enjoy ourselves. I don't know exactly what we're gonna get, but I mean, they have a lot of selections. I am a little bit under the weather, so I don't think I'm gonna get any beer, which is unfortunate. I might have to get me like a lemonade or something. Okay. But yeah, come on, man. Let's figure out what we're gonna end up getting. All right, guys. So I did end up getting me a beer. It was only right. We are at the Dodger Stadium. I am under the weather still a little bit, but I haven't taken any medicine, so it was perfect timing for me to get me a cold beer with this beautiful, hot, sunny day. But yeah, we're waiting for the game to start right now. I haven't looked at the lineup, so I really don't know who's gonna be playing, but it should be a good game. Battle of LA. Alright guys, so we have witnessed a couple technical difficulties when it comes to the sound system here at the stadium. I know they did a lot of renovations, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I'm pretty sure eventually they'll get it under control. It is just an exhibition game. Season hasn't started officially, so or at least here in the Dodger Stadium. But right now they're introducing the players, and yeah, let's get this game going. Let's get this done and battle FLA, baby. guys, we just left the Dodger game right now. I think they were still in the 8th inning, and they were up 6-1. I don't know exactly what the final score is because there was still one more inning to go. Right now I am testing the light that I was actually curious about, the one I just purchased, and honestly I think it's a great investment. I could already tell that, you know, it's able to illuminate my face enough for me to be able to blog at night and get the quality that I want, which is pretty cool. Right now, where are we going, Michoacana? We might go get Tosti Locos. I don't know where you are in the world, but you know, here in LA, here in Mexico, there's something called Tosti Locos, and it's just a bunch of goodies mixed in a bag, and it's a Mexican snack, Hispanic snack. But look it up, Tosti Locos. If there's a place near you, try it out. You won't regret it. But yeah, we'll get back to you guys as soon as we get to the Michoacana. And yeah, man, the game was amazing. You enjoyed yourself? Yeah, it was fun. It was super hot. We thought it wasn't gonna be that hot, but then the sun started beaming. But yeah, I mean, as long as we got the dub, that's all that matters at the end of the day. And yeah, we'll see you guys once we get to Michoacana. Peace. All right, guys, after a successful day at the Dodger game, we ended up coming to Michoacana. She was craving some Tosti Locos. Oh, they got tortas? I might get me a torta, I'm not gonna lie. I'm low-key hungry. You wanna get half one? You want half a torta? We share Tosti Locos and torta, and then that way you don't gotta eat. And we'll just call it a day. Sí, ¿me da? Sí. Oh, perfecto. ¿Sí me podría dar una torta de jamón? ¿Y ham? ¿Una torta de jamón, por favor? Sí, sin cebolla nomás, no sin cebolla. Ah, gracias. What about the drink? You want nothing to drink? We can stop by 7-Eleven or something, get some water. I've never had the torta from here, so hopefully it's good. Tosti Locos I've had. Them shits always hit the spot. Alright guys, so we ended up getting a torta with turkey. And then we got the Tosti Locos, no cueritos, 2 water bottles, because your boy drank beer and I wasn't supposed to drink beer right now because I'm sick. Well, I'm not really trying to drink beer in general, but you know, I feel like it was only right. It was a hot day and we're at the Dodger Stadium, so you know, first time back at the stadium this season, so I feel like it was only right. But yeah, right now we're waiting on a torta. We'll let you guys know what we think, 1 out of 10 on the torta. Tosti Locos always smack, so this time, you know, just the torta. We'll see how it turns out though. Alright guys, we are outside of Michoacana. We got the Tosti Locos right here on deck. Fire, no cueritos, and then this is what the torta looks like right here. I thought it was gonna be bigger, I'm not gonna lie. This is like something I would make at home.
Baby bully.
Yeah, it's a little baby torta. But here it is. I want to give you guys a review. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit skinny for me, but it is. What time is it? Like 8, 9. I shouldn't even be eating to begin with. So the bread is warm though. All right, I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say it's a 10 out of 10, but it's a solid 6 out of 10. I feel like it's something I could make at home. Maybe if they threw some jalapenos in there, I would have spiced it up a little bit. That would have been fire. I thought it was gonna come with jalapenos. I just said no onions, but it just has guacamole, turkey, lettuce, tomatoes, mayo, and the bread. So it's pretty plain.
It's supposed to have jalapenos.
Is it?
Jalapenos and aguacate.
It says it? Yeah, I didn't get no jalapenos in there. Oh, is that it? Oh yeah, this is a tiny ass piece of jalapeno, but you could barely taste that. It's good though. Toasty Locals, you can never go wrong with. All right, you guys, we're right here outside Michoacana, and we just ate the torta. We just ate the Toasty Locals. I think we're calling it a night. I'm probably gonna go home and start editing a little bit and then calling it a night. Tomorrow I have another big day. I'm going to the Dodger game out in Anaheim. I'm taking my nieces. I'm very excited for it. I've actually never been to that stadium, so I'm excited to see how it compares to the Dodger Stadium. But yeah, I mean, as far as this blog goes, this is it right here. See you guys in the next one, and go Dodgers. Peace.